Alright, real quick before we check out the latest Cadillac that just made it into the yard, let's take a quick look and see what they've all taken from the 84 Coupe de Ville here. I see they got the hubcaps, the grill, left the ornament. Sure, I guess they've decided against taking any of this. The hood's up there. I see they took the hinges. Radiator. Was the radiator? I think the radiator was still there before. Shroud. They took the. Oh. Also took the steering column. A few other switches there. Door panels. Someone just busted that. Oh, there's the radiator right there. There's one of the. They didn't take all the hubcaps. No, that was that missing. I think that was missing. Did they take? I can't remember on this. What was here? What was? But there it is. That's what they took from it. So let's go check out that Cadillac, the new one that came in. And here she is, 1989 Brougham d'Elegance. At least I think that's what it is. With the sad face. Let's back it up a little here. This one has been off the road since 2007. She did have the keys. I remember when I saw her the other day, yesterday. The key was back here, but no more. Now I'm not sure if this is the where it's sold new or well, that's the used dealer emblem there. Yeah, that's one before they used to two separate stickers. Now we just get one. But I don't think there's a crack on that dash. I mean, on that dash. No, there's a crack on the dash. 2 cracks at least, 3. On the windshield, there's no. I think all the glass is good on this one. Only major issues right here. This fender. Actually, ran into something there. Fender bender. The grill looks good though. Header panel all looks good. Just missing the emblem. The hood is in nice shape. I don't see any hail damage. Of course, the bumper, it is tweaked. I'm gonna mess that up. That dent here and a dent here. That's the yard doing that. Oh man, I don't think those are original. I think somebody swapped those. Let me put those in. Those are newer aftermarket ones. But she smells funky, dirty, but man, I think this thing would clean up. At least the seats would. I don't believe. I've got the pillow tops. See if I can open this damn door. Okay. Yeah. Headliner's all sagging though. It's good back here. Door panel seems decent. Upper light, the lens is all spider web in there. But yeah, the seats are just dirty. I don't appear to be ripped. I would think it could. Well, we do have an issue right there. Something happened right there, and that. Oh, maybe that'll clean up. Telescoping. Yeah. course, here's the glove box. Go around the other way there, real quick. Take a look inside the trunk. That's cool. What are these moon discs there? There's your VIN and all your RPO codes. Royal seal. The white wall with the gold line. That's pretty cool. This upper light's not in good shape. 09 of 88. Somewhere there. Just kind of dirty up here. Yeah, look at the seat, man. I mean, it's got some wear, but I've seen way worse. What are we looking at in terms of mileage on this thing? Might be interested in that transmission. 200 4R. Look underneath. This one does have the 8.5. One wheel peel though. But she's real solid underneath. I don't see any rust. There's that 200. Air shocks on her. Alright, man, let's take a look under the hood. Y'all know what's under it by this time, right? No inline sixes under this one. Oh boy, man, oh man. Just real quick, that last video that dropped on that 79 and that 84 Caddy, man, I think some website picked it up, and man, that video's been blowing up. I got like, I don't know, 16,000 views already on it in just like what, a couple days, 3 days. The 307 89. It's all there with some rodent poop. She's all here. Wonder what really did her in. I don't think this love tap did her in. I really don't. I don't even think the engine did her in, or the transmission, to be honest with you. Don't see any remnants of water there. I pulled the dipstick of the transmission. It smelled. Oh, come on. It didn't smell burnt. So they probably just parked it like a lot of them, you know. Might have needed a tune-up or something, and then owner got old, and that was it. You could tell it's been sitting right here in this spot right there. Those tires, just look at that. Look at all that look at all that tread on it, man. These Arizonian. Too bad they started to dry rot. Silver. Never heard of this silver edition. I think somewhere on there I saw they were made in US. So there it is. 89 Brougham d'Elegance. Like I said, these big body caddies, man, they keep coming into the yards. People keep junking these cars. All right, people, on to the next one.